This is Azar and Arez Auto. Today we are working on a 2003 Honda Accord. The customer mistakenly dropped the key and the content of the key got missing. So the car could not start. As you can see the light indicating. So now I've generated a chip for the key and I'm going to program it. Then when I'm done, I will go cut the key for it. So what I will do, I will just stick this to the chip to the key shell and complete the programming process. Please stay tuned and watch. So we have finally insert the chip here, as you can see. So we'll start with the programming process. We are going to be using an OBD key master to conclude this process. Excuse me. This particular year uses this is 2008 to 2012. We don't have that. We don't have the option yet, so we are going to change the program. So we have to move to the Autel as the OBD star have not go below 2008 Accord. Turn ignition on. The ignition is currently on. So the system is configuring to enter into programming mode. So third key mobilizer system. So we are going to do an OK loss. Programming just one key. Turn the ignition off. turn it on using the same key within 15 seconds. Turn it off within 15 seconds. Turn it on using the same key within 15 seconds. Turn it off within 15 seconds. Turn it on within 15 seconds. Does the mobilizer go off? Yeah, the light has gone off. So yes, turn it off within 15 seconds. Turn it on. We have one key program in the system. So registration of key completed. We have to turn off. So let's check. See, to start, the mobilizer light has gone off. It has started. So this is Azar and Arez Auto. Kindly comment, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Facebook page. Thank you for watching. So what is left now, I will go and cut the blade and I will insert the chip inside.